Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you what are the best apps for the app log and what kind of things to be aware of. So first one that I highly recommend is like very popular is like AppLog Fingerprint, and you can find it by SPSoft company. And as you can see right here, you got a lot of history, 50 million views, and you can actually like check it out for yourself. Now it's highly rated for long-term reliability, supporting various log types like pin, pattern, fingerprint, and break-in alerts and different profiles. So this is something that you can actually try for yourself. Now the very important thing that I also want to share is that you want to stop others from removing the app locker, set it up as a device administrator, so you're going to prevent uninstallation. Okay, and also native solutions. So also what I recommend to do is that you can check out the Samsung secure folder before installing a third-party app. So you want to, if you have Samsung, check that out. Okay, so Samsung a secure folder. So that's something that you want to actually like check out for yourself, and that's what you want to like definitely check out. Okay, the secure folder. Now also then you want to if you want to like productivity, preventing yourself from using the apps, this is like completely different thing. You can use a ScreenZen. So ScreenZen, this is something, the app that is like very good, and I'm personally using it. And less screen time, no subscription, and it's like free ones that you can actually use it, and maybe it's going to be like beneficial for you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and hope this video brought a little bit of value. Of course there is like Notion AppLog, that's like another one that you can actually try, or like you have like XProGuard AppLog, so that's also the one that you can test out for yourself. So these are the kind of like the alternatives that you can see for yourself, but this is a paid one, and it's like very from the past. So yeah, thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.